In this video, you will learn how to overcome your low self-esteem or inferiority complex. Now, low self-esteem is just a negative feeling about yourself which has come up due to negative past experiences which leads to self-defeating behaviors. Now, like any other emotion, low self-esteem is also a very temporary thing. It is not very permanent thing that you cannot change. And it is also not a very serious thing, but the problem which comes due to low self-esteem are very serious. And it is very common to have low self-esteem because everybody like you and me have had bad experiences in their life. And with those bad experiences, we form a self-image about ourselves that maybe we are not good enough, that we do not deserve the love or the best things in the world, whatever may be the reason for low self-esteem. Low self-esteem is like becoming your own worst enemy because you engage in behaviors that are self-sabotaging. You end up ruining the good things for yourself just because of low self-esteem. For example, you want a job and you have low self-esteem that people won't like you in the interview. Now you will behave in ways in the interview that will confirm this belief that you have about yourself that you are not good enough, and eventually you will screw up the interview. And when you screw up the interview, you have this negative experience once again that you do not deserve a good job. And then this leads to a self-image that I screw up everything in life and that I will never attain financial freedom. Now this becomes self-image. Now this again makes you engage in self-sabotaging behavior, and this cycle keeps repeating. This becomes a vicious cycle where you are not able to get what you want in life just because you have preconceived notions about yourself that you aren't good enough. So one of the signs of low self-esteem is negative self-talk. If you have self-defeating self-talk, if you talk to yourself as if you are talking to your worst enemy, then you have low self-esteem. Now think about it. If you talked to yourself the way you would talk to the person you hate the most, then how will you ever be able to feel good about yourself? The golden rule to improve your low self-esteem is to talk to yourself, treat yourself as if you are treating the person you love the most. If you really think about it, the person you love the most, if you tell them anything wrong, if you hurt them in any way, the guilt eats you, right? But when you do the same thing to yourself, there is no guilt. And that is the reason that you have low self-esteem. You should feel guilty that you are treating yourself so horribly, that you are talking to yourself in such demeaning ways, in such defeating ways. Another sign of low self-esteem is engaging in people-pleasing behaviors. If you seek validation from people, it is only because you want to have a confirmation that the self-image you hold is not true. For example, if your past experience had been that people tell you that you are not likable and that has become your self-image and the reason for your low self-esteem, you will end up in people-pleasing behaviors just to confirm to yourself that no, you are still valuable, you are still likable. So in a sense, people-pleasing behavior is only an attempt to change self-image that you desperately want to be liked. Like this, there are many different signs of low self-esteem, but it all boils down to having a negative experience about yourself, having a negative image about yourself. You are just too focused on the negatives of yourself. This is what creates the spotlight effect. Spotlight effect is a cognitive bias in which you think that you are the center of universe, and that is why all the negative experiences magnify in your own presence, in your own self. But when you start to take yourself less seriously and remove that spotlight from yourself and your negative experiences and your negative mistakes, you feel a lot better about yourself. It is like taking off the blinders and seeing yourself in more realistic sense. One of the main causes of low self-esteem is negative relationships. It can be parental abuse, childhood trauma, negative romantic relationship, whatever. The people you surround yourself with, if they are not validating you, if they are not being non-judgmental, if they are not supporting you, uplifting you, then obviously you will have low self-esteem in your life. And when this happens, you automatically become shy in talking to people. you automatically become anxious when connecting with other people. You start fearing loss, you start fearing failure, you start seeing your life in a negative way. So, to overcome low self esteem, there are only two ways. First is to accept yourself unconditionally and the people around you unconditionally. There is a great book which has the title as I Am Okay, You Are Okay. You are okay the way you are, and people are okay the way they are. When you accept yourself the way you are, however you are, with all your imperfections, your low self esteem just disappears. And the second is to form long term reciprocal relationships where you are validated, relationships where you are not judged, relationship where you feel peace of mind when you are with that person. Such relationships which are long term, they will give you a lot of positive self esteem. So, to summarize this video, low self esteem is just a feeling that is caused by negative past experiences which lead to self defeating behavior. And the only way to overcome low self esteem is to practice total 100% self acceptance and build long term relationships that reciprocate respect, validation, love, attention, and all sorts of positive experiences. If you increase positive experiences in your life, your self worth, your self image will also improve, and your low self esteem, along with all the symptoms such as not being able to talk to people, not being able to get yourself to the next level or achieve all the things that you want to achieve, they will just disappear.